Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both the network and your device. First, sign into the router if you need settings access, and make sure the Wi-Fi SSID and password are correct. Next, install a trusted VPN app on your device and grant the necessary permissions. Once done, connect to the Wi-Fi normally and verify local internet works before enabling the VPN. This isolates issues. Make sure your VPN supports the protocol you prefer, so you won't have to reconfigure later. Now you configure the VPN for everyday use. Open the VPN app, choose a protocol, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for broad compatibility, and pick a nearby server for lower latency. Enable the kill switch so if the VPN drops your traffic won't leak, and turn on Auto Connect for public Wi-Fi. Configure DNS leak protection in settings, and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi. After connecting, verify your public IP and DNS have changed to confirm the tunnel is active and secure. Finish by validating performance and having a plan for problems. Run a speed test. If throughput or latency is poor, try a different server or protocol. If a network blocks VPNs, switch to TCP, try alternate ports, or enable obfuscation in the app to bypass filters. If connectivity fails, restart your router and device, then check VPN logs or diagnostics for errors. One key tip: temporarily disable local firewalls to identify if they are the cause before making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.